Hey, what's up? So Fred Jones here from Techy Tool Guru, and I realized that I kind of did Loom a disservice because there's so much that it can do, and because I went through it so quickly, I kind of wanted to come back and show you that there's a lot more that it could do. So, first and foremost, I recommend that you go ahead and use their Groom Google Chrome extension. Use the Google Chrome extension because the extension allows you to have the tool at easy access. And you can find it right here in the upper right hand corner. You click on it, it opens up as a separate window. And then when you click it, you can instantly start recording video. So it's really great when you want to just record something really quickly. You don't want to do the whole big setup. I really, really recommend the extension. Now, when the last video that we were in, I was going through it and I was talking about our Loom has this feature where it is the AI. All right. So I figured, in all honesty, I've never kind of played with it. And so I know it's there. I know it can do all this really cool stuff, but I really don't know what that looks like. So I figured what better time to kind of play with it now and see what it looks like. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to play with the Loom AI. So we're going to do it we're going to look at a video that I made earlier today. All right. Actually, I'm not going to do that one because I have a better one. I did because when I was creating these videos, I did one a little while ago, and I tried to do it, and it was just so bad I had to edit it because I messed it up, and I don't want to mess that one up. So that's a good one. So we're going to come back and we're going to do one of these that was a quick one. This one is a 5-minute one, and I know that this one needs some editing because I messed up. So now we have the AI to set up, and what's cool about it is that now I can go in and I can look at the transcript for what it was by clicking here, and I go through it and you can see all the stuff that I did. Now, you can edit the video using the transcript if you click here, and let's see what that does. So if I click there, so let's kind of I'll go through this with you. So you're going to trim the video in the click. So I could trim the video, which is really great, make it smaller, more ways to edit, use our timeline to easily trim out sections. So if I wanted to clip out a section where I messed up, I can do that as well. So let's kind of see here. So let's go to the video and let's turn up the volume so we can actually hear it. Where it is. Oh. All right. So one of the things that I realized automatically that I don't like is the fact of, let's see here. All right. So when I play it, it does it there. So let's go back to transcript, edit the video. All right, so it says remove silences. All right, so I don't know if there are that many silences, but I do know, as I said, I use a lot of word ah. So let's take a listen. So that was pretty good. Okay, perfect. So there we have this ah, right? So I could go in here, I think, and just connect those words, and I think I can hit trim, and they're gone. So let's see what happens. Wow, that's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome. Now, if you'll notice what happened is once it removed it, it kind of clipped the other word because I just talk fast. Now, but I can undo that though. And let's see, because they have a feature here that says remove filler words. So I'm wondering if I use the remove filler words part, if that will actually help to make it where I don't have to be the one who do the clipping. So let's try that. So I'm going to put remove filler words. Ah, look, it went in because I didn't even realize there were so many others. So let's go ahead and take a listen now that it did it and see if the edit that the Loom did was better than the edit that I tried to do. Okay, so keeping it real, it does work. I mean, it did remove it. Unfortunately, it does remove it to this where it takes it out and there's a clip because I talk fast. I'm trying to fix that, but it's something that I do. But still, a wonderful feature. So, I mean, right there, just the ability to go in and use AI to help you edit is really, really cool. So that's one way with the new AI feature that it can do. Now, with the AI, it can also create a title and summary. Let's see here. So it added exploring Loom features. I didn't create that. It did, right? Let's see if it also added a summary, which is great. So that was something I think I showed you here that it removed the filler words. And let's have it remove the silence. And I think by doing that, the video becomes a little bit shorter also. So yeah, because I think it was like 48 seconds. Now, let's see what it does when you said write a document. Wow. So, okay, this is awesome. I did not know it did that. So basically, it will go in and take the video that I did and break it down. Now, when I was talking about earlier using this as a program with staff, where I could use it, create a video and show, this actually creates a SOP, standard operating procedure, for those of you who do not know what that means. And it's going in and it's creating a version of this where it's kind of like I'm going in and it's creating like a manual for how to use it. Open Google Chrome, go to Chrome website, search for Loom, look for the Loom icon. Oh my God, it literally broke it all down, exactly what I talked about. And then it has a link to the Loom that you can use all well. Now, what does it do here step by step? I'm exploring this with you guys. So we're just seeing what it does. Has a step-by-step version of it. PR description. Well, let's see what this is. Wow. So in this Loom video, Fred demonstrates how to add Loom. Fred assumes that users are familiar with Google Chrome. Testing strategy, install Loom as a Google Chrome feature. Oh my God, this is absolutely amazing. And then finally you have QA steps. What is that? Loom extension button not showing up in Google Chrome. Okay. So I'm not quite sure what's going on with that. Oh, Loom extension not showing up in Google install. Oh, boom. So remember when I it's talking about a bump. I guess it's something from the Q&A, and it talks about how to reproduce the situation or whatever. Now, I don't know if that's something that I was talking about. It's just giving us a general Q&A. We'd have to check on that. But regardless, this mess is amazing. And then you can copy the text. What is code docs? Fred introduces the yada-da-da-da. One notable feature, the ability to add Loom. Yeah, clicking this button opens up the recording interface. Okay, not quite sure what that is, but I think it just kind of creates a document for it. And as I said, for any of this stuff, you can hit copy text, and it's going to copy all of this stuff out, which is absolutely amazing. So again, Loom is the bomb. And I mean, I never use this. Oh wow. You also have where you can trim and stitch. So I could go in and kind of take two parts the video and clean out the middle of it and clip it together. I can add a link. There's some, oh, what? Add a link. What? So here's a link. I can actually create a link for my other website here. Let's see if it works. Expanded learning solutions.com. So if you have a company, let's just say my company, look at that. All right. You can come in, you can change the colors of it. I like the color. We'll just do save. And now I have that link. If I click it here, wow. Wow. Loom. All right, so that's it for this module. I kind of went through the Loom AI, so you have a for this video module. I'm still in my course content mind, but that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you how Loom, you can use the AI piece to kind of really, it's amazing. I'm glad, and I only had to pay because they give you a prorated thing. In addition to my 90 annual, it ended up being something like 40 something additional for the year. And I shouldn't say it like that for some small business owners, that's a lot of money, but this is going to save so much time. It gives you so much power. And again, it's why I love tech, because it just makes your life easier. So just playing around with you today, I found out a really cool feature that I'm definitely going to use again. I can't wait to share this with my staff because they're going to love, especially the SOP. So that's it. That is Loom. That is Loom AI. If you enjoyed it, click let me know that you like it, hit the like button, and please come back and check out Techy Tools Guru. Thanks.